Before you go further,
Yes.
we want to jump in here and talk about inspiration and define it for you, because it's good to do it in the context of this new grid concept that we are flying here together. And that is that inspiration really is the natural momentum that law of attraction provides. In other words, inspiration is the momentum of what's in the vortex being allowed by you. Motivation is, I see something that I want, and from my lackful place of knowing I am not there, I'm going to try to get myself moving in the direction of what I want. But inspiration is from the inside out. Inspiration is the source within you, aware of what you've put into the vortex, holding the vibration of it with such consistency that when you get in the vicinity of it, law of attraction is going to bring you to it and it to you. And that is our best description of what inspiration is. It's a law of attraction based attraction from inside the vortex. Now, if you really want to be technical, and some of you do, we can feel you, it is accurate to say that you could be inspired to unwanted things, or you could be inspired to wanted things. Let's just call the inspiration the movement that comes, the movement that law of attraction is providing. But when we use the word inspiration, we really want to talk about it from the standpoint of the vortex and all the good stuff that you've carved out and all of the wonderment that you have become, calling you in your physical form in closer proximity to it. But creation is always about rendezvousing. In other words, you've launched the rockets and the desire is being vibrationally held. There is a vibrational reality that exists, that your inner being is in full vibrational alliance, compliance, harmony, allowing with, you see. So when you are having a moment in time, when you are tuned in, tapped in, turned on, when you've been appreciating, or when you've been basking, or when you've been meditating, when you've quieted your mind, when there is little or no resistance within you at the moment, in law of attraction, because of law of attraction, the frequency that you have achieved and the frequency that the source within you is maintaining now come together. So there is a you coming to it and an it coming to you. We've been describing it in different ways of you going into the vortex. We've been describing it as the contents of the vortex coming to you. But really what creation is, it's always a rendezvousing point. It's where like vibrational frequencies are coming together, and in their coming together producing a stronger explosion of manifestation. It's moving something beyond. If it's moving something beyond that's really harmonious with all that you have been, then as the explosion occurs, you feel exhilaration. That's what passion is, or eagerness. That's what that feeling of interest is. That's that feeling of excitement or love or appreciation. But if the explosion happens and you feel irritation, or you feel annoyed, or you feel worried or frightened or fearful or angry or lonely, when you feel those negative emotions, it means you're having a rendezvous. There's a sort of explosion happening, and we could even say there's some sort of inspiration that is afoot, if we really want to be technical about it, because there is a blending of you and you. But in that blending, there is discord that is amplified rather than harmony that is amplified, you see. Best description of emotional guidance system ever. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. I got a lot from that.
So come back to the point that you were making. You said inspiration almost as soon as you sat down. Then you said it again, and we ran off with it. What is it about that you're reaching for?